Extension joints or cracks in VIP Hill, which is also known as the Theatre Hill. We have now 4 months worth of lava pressurizing with the mass of them on the crust in this area of the volcano. The downward pressure causes a flexure of the crust, and in the surrounding areas it causes a partial rising of some of the hills. Yes, believe it, yes. And it causes cracks. Cracks can cause dike in the areas of volcanic eruption, and these cracks will be filled eventually with the lava, gradually or later at some point.